Hey, I'm Jesse Galbraith. I'm a U.S. Army veteran. I'm here to help you know who can build me a website. And by me, obviously, I mean you. You're wondering that. That's why you typed it in and you searched. You know, you can pay for a freelancer to do it. There's places like Upwork and Fiverr. You're going to pay cheaper or more expensive depending on if you do it out of country, in country. But you can also go the route of an agency. By agency, I mean a digital marketing agency, such as, you know, a social media marketing agency, or any of those ones usually have a website developer in there, but it's going to cost 4, 6, 10,000 and above, and that's not even promising that they're going to do what you need it to do. Which to most people, come on, let's get it straight. You want it to convert. You want it to do something and give you a return on your investment. From what I've seen, most people don't know how to build a converting website anymore because it's changing nonstop. Our website's dead? No, they're there. They're going to be around forever. It's just the way we've done them's changed, and it's changing so fast and drastically that people aren't keeping up with it. They're thinking the old ways work and staying with it. So you can pay a designer, and just a straight website designer company, which most of the time they're a little bit better, or they're a lot better depending on if you find them, but then they're going to be pricey. So you find one that's going to convert, do stuff well. They still have this tendency that all website designers have is they're trying to make it look fancy. They're trying to make it look pretty. They're going to make it an online business card that converts, but most of them are just trying to make an online business card. And the problem with that is when you're test marketing to see if offers and stuff work, the best way to do it is start off with a basic template and build from there. So that's why I choose ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, what you can do is you can get a template, you can start blank if you know what you're doing, or you can have a pre-built one which has, you know, thousands of different ones that you can choose from, email opt-ins, you have offers, you have all these different things that are already set up for you that you just have to change it to your logos, your images, your videos, your context, you know, all that can be changed and adjusted to fit you. So by doing that, first off, you're not paying thousands of dollars, you're paying $100 a month to $300 a month, which one you choose. 2, once you have it going, you can have it integrated into your autoresponders so that as it's building your list, it's automatically trying for sales, it's giving information, it's building your brand, it's doing everything you need it to do, step by step, without any issues. If you want to do it yourself and you want to be a do-it-yourselfer, well, there's a course that Russell Brunson has inside your ClickFunnels account to teach you everything you know about making a ClickFunnel account that actually converts, how to change your sales copy. It goes step by step through everything that you need. So personally, why not make you be able to do you and have it set up exactly how you want? Because if you have a website designer come in, he's not going to do what you want, or she, and you're just not going to enjoy it. So why not be able to start building your own templates, learn how to do it, love what you do, or even have someone in-house do it and have your own account that you can just adjust nonstop. Then you can be running multiple different ads, see which one's actually converting, which one's not. You can have your domain hooked to it. Like, the limits of ClickFunnels is actually super high. It's pretty limitless. There's so many different programs and everything that's already like 100% ready to be integrated, because if you have an autoresponder like GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, you can integrate them in. You can add your Facebook tracking pixel. Like, it's seriously one of the easiest ways to set up, and all of it only takes a few minutes. I've been building funnel after funnel after funnel the last few days, trying to get everything set up for my businesses, and I've been enjoying it, loving it, and spending hardly any time actually developing it. I've been actually spending more time finding out the right offers that I'm doing and everything like that. So why not do something that's just that easy? So down below, I have the ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. Try it out, try it for your business. Guaranteed you'll love it. And then there's extra courses in there for you if you want to do an affiliate program with them. Like I said, sky's the limit with ClickFunnels. So this is Jesse Galbraith, your U.S. Army veteran, trying to help you out with your business.